This HOWO NX 371 6x4 tractor truck is a high-performance vehicle designed for heavy-duty transportation, which is widely used in logistics, construction and long-distance transportation. This model is equipped with a 371 horsepower efficient diesel engine, which provides powerful power output and can easily cope with various heavy-duty transportation needs. The HOWO NX tractor truck with 6x4 drive configuration provides excellent traction and stability, and can still maintain good handling and stability under heavy loads. The chassis and body structure of the HOWO NX 371 tractor truck are carefully designed to withstand the harsh conditions of heavy-duty transportation, ensuring the durability and long-term reliability of the truck. In addition, the truck is suitable for a variety of transportation tasks, showing good versatility and meeting the needs of different customers.